Gil. if you say, you say.
Road is really nice, really nice. Not the phone.
The phone doesn't enjoy.
What was that?
A bike. Very dangerous road because there's always a uphill before you go into the corner and you can't see the corner. So annoying.
You can see by the rocks, you know. Like.
Yes, but still. You're going 120.
It's way scarier if you jump before the corner.
Like that. This? Is those bugs?
Bugs? Oh. You mean on the...
Yes, on the windshield. I think I kill a whole family. An whole nest. It's time to relax and let the engine cool down.
So now it's down in uphill.
I think it might be
Can try after the second car.
there. Wait, let me see.
Like I was feeling how the car is like trying, like oversteering a little bit in this corner.
God bless new tires. What's the corners? I can't see. What's now? So I need left.
It says left.
That was a good stretch.
Yeah, it was good. A good one.
Oh, check the city. Well, in those days, we're in the Corona time days, so tomorrow we can't go out anymore from our houses. We're in Israel, so we just taking advantage of this last evening to come here and do this before we'll get mad crazy. No traction needed.
Yeah, this was a nice one.
Whoa, that was a bit of air. You felt it?
Yeah, I felt it.
And no need to go over speed limit a lot, so we just let the engine cool down.
You're already like over the speed limit, you know.
Ooh. So just let it cool down a bit before we get back to the interesting part.
Yeah, how I said, this chassis is really feeling amazing. Like,
yeah. Well, it's also light, you know.
That's
for
good,
a front-wheel drive chassis, it's one of the best.
Really, that's really true. So
It's not like a Leon Cupra or, you know, those Polo GTI.
Leon Cupra is way more like heavy, you know.
Yes, it's like
bigger
another
car
700
than
kilos.
this one.
That's nuts.
But this car, like, it doesn't like behave like a front wheel drive, more like a rear wheel drive, because you can make it oversteer. You can make oversteer any car, but this one is doing it really easy.
Yeah.
That's the nice part.
And there we go.
And that's the bad part.
Yep.
The traffic.
That was fun. Yeah. Oh, steering is